Every time Nigeria people say Oyibo no dey give black ass, Oyibo no do this one, Oyibo wicked, and not give. You not wicked, not be you wicked pass. Now you wicked pass. You will be say you give your fellow black ass. You know let her get peace. Una give person ass, person wey dey follow una stay ass. Una stay with una woman, una stay with una children. So go get 4 children, all of them will be five family. They will just dey there. Okay, you join the renters, you see the follow they pay the same bill. But the day when you bring one person call as stay with you 3 days, but they go dey pepper them. They go say bill one eye. But you the follow that they pay the bill wey their children they use. They not they talk that one. Only them go they look you if they progress, you they dress, they go they pay them for body. If you dey shop better food, you go dey pay them. Okay, wetin una come want? Make person go suffer come. Okay, wetin dey dey fair? Make person go suffer come. You come buy one fish. If you don't buy one fish, you come reach out, you come dey beg for maggi and oil wey you want to cook rice. Okay, now that kind of thing that's some of the lack. Make you just dey suffer. Make you wear tear shirt. They come and dey sorry for you. They come dey tie it to your family life. Cause they know how you take there. They want cause they do tafia. Well, yes, the teacher say that they help you. Now lie, they mock you. They mock you. If you go also shop better food, shop well, leave them. If you let me, they want them, make them die. Muna stop all this jealousy. Muna stop all this jealous act. Muna stop it. Not good. With the class say government not good. Now we will worse pass. What we they do not good. Your renters you know get peace. We know they see Gambia, we know they see Senegal, we know they see the way that they do. If the renters give their fellow brother. Okay, this pandemic Krishna son see the draw strength like say tomorrow not day. When they no say person wey dey with them for us not get work. They go they draw money. The way you go take draw money, say, even Oyibo will get the ass. You not draw money like that. And for those of una wey be say, Oyibo leave accident for una for this pandemic. I don't see not be all boss one. I believe so Oyibo leave accident for una. Una cause collect money for una fellow tenant. Una call eat the money. Say, man, I don't know say, now the suffer that tenant wey you put for us, so you suffer the suffer. Now you shop. If you chop the money, so Oyibo dash you rent. You not leave the money for you see collect am. Now you suffer, now you shop. Okay, you dey black person as you dey beg me do hospitality for you. Make you carry go police station, go renew your document. Don't say me you pay 200 euro. And if they reach police station, they don't pay anything. They go let go here for they do all this photo starting this. They collect paper, they want collect 1 euro. They don't pay. They come they charge you 200 euro. Okay, what the person call they pay you as rent for? And the more time the person will pay you 200 euro. It depends. Some they pay 150, some they pay 180, so they pay 250 euro for 1 room. They still pay gas, pay everything give you. We know they sorry for person. Muna stop am. Unless una no progress. Una no progress, una no stop am. Muna allow to dey respect people wey dey stay with us. People wey dey stay with una respect am. Because at the end of the day, if una go check am when they pay una house rent, how much una dey pay? Una carry out small money, una put am for rent, person dey pay una. Muna dey respect the person, Muna dey respect person. Na so I talk am reach. I know say go upset many people. If you upset you, change. Do the needful, do what is right, so that God will make you progress. God will still bless you the way they bless your tenants.